I am the Certified Weld Inspector and Fabricator here at Napoleon Machine. I have 12 years fabrication experience. I have an associate's degree through Owens Community College and inspection training through Hobart Weld Institute. As a CWI, I write all the welding procedure specifications as a guideline for all the fabricators to follow. The equipment we use here is 650 amp MIG welders, a push-pull gun for aluminum welding, 250 amp TIG welder, and 125 amp plasma. I've written WPSs for Department of Defense, aerospace, and automotive industries.